That's a nice fish. Ready, Cole? Oh my. Get him, Cole, get him. Holy. What's up, fellas? Today, we're at the Mad River. This is Christian. We are going for winter steelhead today with conventional gear. It's still pretty muddy. 1.5 to 2 feet of visibility. Actually, probably more like 1 foot of visibility. But we're optimistic. So we're gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we can get a fish. Okay guys, we're running a 3500 Penn Spin Fisher 5 with this Browning 9-foot graphite rod. We have a 1/2 ounce egg weight. It slides to a swivel all the way down to this hook and a little fish pill. Okay?
It's right here, it's right here. Get ready.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I have
Hey, don't thumb it so much. Don't thumb it so much. Just let him run.
No, I won't say anything. You gotta put it pretty well.
2.
My weight was out of the water when it bit.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it like right away?
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Got a little corky on.
Drag.
A dude down there just hooked up.
It'll tire out.
Yeah. Steelhead tire out themselves because they run so much. Fishing.
Look for a hook. Oh, now he's starting to get away. Just reel it down, you know? Try to get every little inch that you can.
Yeah, you might want to move down here a little bit.
Perfect. Just keep doing that 5-10 more times. Oh, I think it's good. Here it comes, here it comes.
Here comes, here comes. Oh, there. Nice fish, nice fish. Yeah!
Oh.
That's a big boy, dude. It's a buck. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is a big fish, dude. Like really big. Oh my god, this thing is fighting hard. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one's a
got
little
one here.
better than mine.
Get him in.
Get out of there. Oh shit, no, he's like in it. He's like
Yeah.
in it. Oh. So we got this one steelhead right here, hatchery, and it's a little dark, but we also have this nice sort of chromy buck. It's also hatchery. It just has a weird scar, as you can tell with this one right there. 100% a hatchery. His also has that, but it's not as distinct. So yeah, it's a nice fish right there. I'll show you guys this one. We bonked both of them right away. This is a very nice fish. Heck yeah. Okay, so here's a prime example. This fish right here is a male, a buck. This is a female, it's a hen. You see the difference in their jaws? This one has a curve. So they're called Oncorhynchus micus. Oncorhynchus means hooked jaw, or curved jaw. And the females do not have that because these guys fight and they're trying to look all showy for these guys. The sun's going down a little bit, but our hopes are not going down. Got a little dark eye on right now. Really dark. Nice sun is good.
I think it's not bad, actually.
I don't know. Woo-hoo. You turn my drag down?
Oh.
There it is, never mind.
All right.
Ready? Got a shot?
Release.
Wild guy. Woohoo! Hell yeah! It's a hen. Ready?
I'll cure the eggs.
Oh my god. That's a nice fish. Ready, Cole?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, he's clean.
Right there.
Oh, it's him.
Damn, that thing's big.
Oh, it's him.
Right there. Get him, Cole, get him.
Net it.
Please net this, okay? On his head, on his head.
I don't see it. Over there's thing.
It's Luke's fish.
No.
Force it.
Oh, hey.
He's coming in, he's coming in. Ready?
Yeah.
No.
Got him.
Yeah,
Got him.
okay.
Is it twisting?
Hatchery?
Hatchery.
Hatchery. Yes. Get him out, get him out, get him out,
Hatchery.
get him out. Straight out.
Nope.
Yeah.
No, we're all younger.
Hooks out. Let's
Hey,
go.
where'd my knife go?
Oh man, you guys are feasting, huh?
Yeah. Feed the
Cool.
family. That's how it works.
Nice.
That's how mafia works.
Well, it's nice you come out of his misery right
That's a nice.
away. Beautiful. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's spurting out the blood, dude.
I applaud you. Cool.
Like,
Okay, fellas, so we're on our way out of the hatchery right now. We're just gonna go home and cook the fish up. Super nice meat right there. This is gonna be good. I can guarantee it. Look at that. We got the potatoes with butter and a bunch of seasoning. We have the tomato, the steelhead, the skin, the lime, and the larapin. So, we're gonna dig in. Here it goes. First little bite. Going down the hatch. Just biting the steelhead right now. There it is. Looks really good. Steaming still. Nothing on it, just steelhead. That's amazing. Here's a potato. Oh. Dang, those are really good. I'm going in for the mega bite. Steelhead, tomato, potato, and larapin. Right there. Down the hatch. I'm trying to think of ways it could be any better. But I can't, because it's so freaking good. It's amazing. There's a piece of the skin right there. Fatty, crispy, really good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. It's been a blast recording this video. Many more to come, and stay tuned for the next one. Cool.